Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make a shirt for Ken. I'm gonna use this stretch material. I measure I bend the material. I cut the waistline. I want the sleeve to be the same size. Let's cut the neckline and I cut a little circle. I want in the front to have the V shape. I will sew the sleeves and the lateral sides. After I sew it, I turn it and I will paint it. This is the t-shirt. I insert aluminum foil. I'm gonna paint it. Let it to dry, and this is my t-shirt.